Hello, this is Muzammil from Bangladesh. Let me introduce myself in details. I would like to talk about my family first, followed by my education and job experiences. My father runs a business and my mother is a homemaker. We are two brothers and two sisters in my family. My strengths are my confidence, honesty, integrity, my patience, communication and social skills, and dedication, and my dedication towards my assigned job. My weaknesses is that I am very much emotional, too much driven, and focused on work, which leads to tire me out. Currently, I am practicing to get better at this. I completed my secondary level in 2004 and higher secondary level in 2006. After completion my higher secondary, I couldn't continue my studies because of financial crisis in the family, where I had to choose work to support my family. By the grace of Almighty God, I can say that now my family and I are established and stable. Yeah, I have always been a hard worker. Presently, I am dreaming to run business, and I want to be a businessman, and I want to be a famous person in the society and in my country. From 2006 to 2020, I have worked for numerous companies like courier service, rental leasing, and real estate sector in Dubai and in Bangladesh. Um, beside my service life, I have completed two courses for my basic knowledge, one in English language and another one in computer office management. In my entire life and my service life, I have observed that business is one of the fastest growing option for future, for life, and in the world. That's why presently I am dreaming to run business. I am dreaming to run business, and this is my ambition. So that I want to have more academic knowledge, and I want to earn more knowledges in business. As a person I am excellent in office, in Microsoft Office program. I am little bit good at search engine and digital marketing. Now I am mostly interested in networking. But I think it would be better to have more academic knowledge in business, and that's why I have decided to do a bachelor's degree in business in administration in international standards. Honestly speaking, in my country, I cannot apply any public universities because of my study gap. On the other hand, the private universities are not providing the standard education. If I compare, if I go to compare to the high expenses, and I have searched many international universities in many countries. After doing enough research, I have chosen this Central University of Applied Science. This university is offering bachelor degree in business administration in standard business. And also this university is there is in this university there is a facility to take part in practical and theoretical knowledge, and despite having availability practical and theoretical knowledge, this university is providing a diversified environment where a lot of international students from different countries come here to study. From here I can get more knowledge. I can improve, I can develop my strengths. I can overcome my weaknesses when I meet these international peoples and international students, and in this different place. Why I choose Finland? Finland is widely famous for its educational system, low crime rate, peace and happiness. Considering the low accommodation cost in Finland, and its high quality of education, I am very much interested to be a member of your university. Considering my hard work and dedication, and I hope you would find me to be the right fit for your program. Thank you very much.